Welcome. This is today's video review for Friday, July the 10th, 2015 for Drummond Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. Today we had an exceptional amount of trades. We're going to try to go through them all individually. Starting at about approximately 9:30 through till about 11:30 a.m. Eastern. We're looking at the NASDAQ futures contract for September as we normally do. We're illustrating that we can trade only one market for 2 hours in the morning. In fact, not even 2 hours is not really needed once you start to see how many trades present themselves each and every day if you're following our YouTube videos. So we're going to show you how very simply we're using lines that we draw in advance. These support and resistance lines are based on energy, and they're discovered by a veteran trader by the name of Charles Drummond. Very first line that we can see that we have drawn is coming in here at about 9:20 Eastern. You'll see the left chart's up green arrow is drawn here on the right chart. You can see that the level presented a great level of support for a lean to get long. And then price went up, and you can see that over the next 15 minutes how price retraced back down to our white dotted line here. This is our energy point at which price gets pushed up from. You can see that it's not doing such a great job until eventually the market goes sideways, and we place a resistance level here in advance and wait. So as price is up here, we see price coming down. Well, as we're coming down, we're looking at the support level down here for a potential long. Let's have a look at that now. You can see as we come down to the support here on our left chart, we've drawn it here on our right chart. This presents another buy opportunity for us. As we go up, we trade up into our resistance level we've drawn on our left chart, shown here on our right chart for a sell signal. You notice how our white dotted line continues to push price down. Eventually price does come down, and we have another line that's drawn here. It's a white dotted line. This is our midline for the left chart, and it's drawn here on our right chart. You'll notice how price is unable to penetrate this level and provides another opportunity to get long. As we go higher, you'll see that as we move along, price gets to over here on our left chart. This level of resistance is drawn here on our right chart. So this gives us another opportunity to get short. And as we fall down into this level of support here, drawn here on our right chart. This gives us an opportunity to get long. As we go up, we're now rallying up into this crest of resistance shown here on our right chart, and that's a sell. As we go down, we're coming down into this same level of support drawn on our left chart, also drawn here on our right chart for a long. As price rallies, we rally up to this point here of this resistance level drawn on the left chart. This is drawn here on the right chart. This is a short coming down. We're again dealing with this support energy here on our left chart, drawn here on our right chart for a long. As price goes up, you can see it goes a little bit higher than our first level of resistance this time, up into our second level of resistance, providing another short trade that provided quite a nice move into about 10:45 Eastern. It's at this point here you can see the market is in a free fall exhaust point, which we teach in our Masters of the Universe course, and we're always looking for bars to turn green. You can see that we had a green bar here, but we know that trading directly into our mid level here is definitely something that we monitor very closely, and it's not recommended. and then the very next bar that turned green was down here. This particular spot down here was in the left chart's energy band that's drawn here in advance. Some traders are capable of looking at more charts. We do have another chart that we look at for that kind of trader, and it's our 3000 tick. It's provided a level of support here coming into the day. Also, this magenta that's drawn is its lower energy band. Basically, these levels here were hit to the tick. These are coming in at 85.75. So you can see here on our left chart, for example, 85.75 is right here. I think price got down to 85 and a quarter, so almost to the tick. So essentially there was an opportunity there if one was looking at the bigger picture coming into today, and even if you weren't, you had the lower energy band here that we're dealing with, these levels, which are known in advance at 89.5 and 89. So as you're coming down here on your right trade chart, 89.5, 89, you know the market is trade chart, the right chart is exhausting down into it. A green bar buy is a very high probability AAA signal, and that trade took off, pushed up higher than our mid. The mid here on the trade chart pushed up higher and just kept one of those trades that just kept on giving, and that takes us through till about 11:30. I want to thank you very much for listening to our videos, and if you have any questions, please drop us an email at jb@drummondenergybands.com.